It's the starting, and you should consider the exact number of ties that you need. It depends on the kind of stuff that you want. Maybe a hat, maybe a jacket, maybe a shirt. I know some people that even don't look at that, and even with looking around they could do. I don't know how. But for me, I just looked at to be able to do. People think that's a good hospital because of the name it had, but it wasn't. It would be a scarf, but it takes time to be completed. I even could, maybe I could design that with some ornamental things, or it depends on the taste. But I think it's nice, especially in terms of color.